Okay, hey guys, welcome to another um. Hey guys, welcome to another actually tutorial or another video. I don't really know, but that's a speechless one. When you actually let's talk about as you can see the time is actually 12, actually 10, 10. Yes, that's the time over here in Nigeria. And I just want to make a summary about how my like my challenge, yeah, my, how my challenge work. At first I was supposed to let me bring the book. Um, at first the challenge was actually to summarize this whole textbook. Was actually the aim. Actually, the aim at first was to summarize this whole textbook on problem solving, just the problem solving, the algorithm, strategy, basic concepts, basic of C programming, control statement. That was the that was the actual challenge. And challenge was actually like it was 2 weeks challenge to actually finish this book, this whole book, finish am, writing this book. I'm gonna teach you guys. That was the actual aim. But I just want to say you guys that the challenge was actually awesome. I won the I won the challenge, and the challenge was just on my face. The challenge, you big one. The challenge, what actually happened was that no, in fact, no excuses, no excuses. I failed the challenge. A big fail. That was a big fail to me, Sha. I failed challenge, and I actually read from chapter one to let me see. I actually read from chapter one. I actually stopped at chapter three though. It's chapter one, chapter six. So I actually stopped at chapter three, going chapter four. I'm actually done with problem solving, algorithm about flowchart and the rest strategy. Now I'm supposed to go to basic programming concepts. That's why I'm supposed to go in this textbook, which is chapter four, and each chapter is up to chapter six. So I'm successfully done with chapter one to chapter three, remaining four to six. So let me explain what happened through the week. Through the week was I went to school, come back, went to school, come back, went to school, come back. I'm in school right now, so no excuses though, no excuses. But nevertheless, I'm still gonna make a video like about what I learned so far. Like at first, this book will about problem solving. That is the first thing about this book. Problem solving and solution strategy for problem solving. That are the same. That kind of the same thing. So what I'm going to do is I'll combine problem solving and this strategy together so that the same thing. Next video algorithm, next video basic programming concept, next video basic C, next video blah, next video blah. Anyhow do sha, anyhow do. I'm also learning my HTML. I'm not done with that sef. HTML, I'm not doing HTML. I'm still basic HTML basic. I'm just using AI because I don't want to wait behind to finish learning before I start working. There's AI tools already. So oh, oh, let me cover it. Yes. There's AI tools already. So there's AI tools. That's why I don't want to I don't want to be stuck in learning tutorials and like that things to show up for. So that is just the whole concept of why I want to uh, use AI to wrap everything up, and I'm still learning from using it to carry the whole through the whole sum of everything. So she gets so this. Okay, I'm actually building a script on how I'm going to work on this problem solving. Where because during this past we have like I have like uh chapter one, chapter six. So I'm going to have like let me see. I'm going to have like this programming C. Okay, I'm going to use like 3 weeks to teach this, Abi. 2 weeks to teach this actually. I'll try and make a video. After this video, I upload it. After I upload this video next, I'll make another video about problem solving. Like first way explaining programming solving. I'm going to use websites to explain them. I'm going to build websites to how to explain this video. Thank for the help of AI making my work faster for me. No, obviously, you could she get so that is the whole sum of everything. The sum of everything. She get so anyhow though. And if you watch this video, please subscribe. I beg. Please subscribe to this video because being not that I won't say being here is kind of easy or it's kind of hard. It's kind of the same thing. It's our daily life, man. Actually, I'm like kind of getting used to this life of me coming to doing a video and posting it online. It's kind of getting used to me of a sudden. I don't really know why, but I'm kind of adapting to it in such a way that I was standing and looking at you guys are doing this video, sha. And I'm very hungry. Hunger day, like no, hunger, okay. No. Hunger day, sha. Because I'm going to eat this night, bread and granules. Oh, school life, school life is not easy, oh. Like at all, school life is never easy. That's the truth. Being in school here is kind of like stressful. In school, I eat like one times a day, I be 2 times a day at least. Thank God, 2 times a day. But at two, I can just be at home and just eat like 8 times, 10 times. I'll finish full pot, finish everything. My mom go cook on am, I'll finish am. But for here now, this spoon, inside this spoon, see. Oh, Mski. Oh, so I have this bread, I have this groundnut. I spend my school life. Okay, guys, please don't forget to subscribe when I watch this video. Peace, one love, Mski the way. I'm gonna cut the video right here, right now. Shit, let me go and chop my bread. Oh my god, no. And at the process, I'm going to build you. I'm building a website, sha, a mobile website. I'm not done the website, sha, but I'm still working on that website. I'm also building a tutorial website. I'm also building. I'm confused right now, though. Still struggling with school, to do other things. So yeah, so I will cut the video. Let me go and chop my bread and my groundnut. So and I forgot one thing is my chicken and my buttermilk. Last time buttermilk. This is actually sweet, sha, but I prefer Mikos. I prefer Mikos and I prefer kind of Mikos and Arabia, Ari something. I don't think. I prefer that too, sha, but I'm in school now, but I'm making mistake for data and I really want to do. So anyway, next video, next video will be tutorial on problem solving strategy. Next video algorithm. Next one then C. Next one C. I failed the challenge, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to do. That is not an excuse. I failed the challenge. Hopefully, yes, I failed the challenge. I was able to like keep to my word, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to tell you guys about what problem solving algorithm and the rest. Check it, and also teach you guys more. I failed the challenge, yeah, but nothing is an excuse. That is just the whole fact. So guys, I will cut the video right now. It's already 9 minutes, 4 minutes. So let's see, guys. Okay, peace. So no, peace. No, peace.